what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video. Alright y'all, so yesterday I did that washing style, and I told you guys that I was gonna show y'all the outcome of the washing style today in today's video. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all that after the introduction. In the video, my hair looks a little dry, you know, that tends to happen after washing style. And then you gotta apply products and then brush your hair, you know, so you can add shine to it. And I did that at nighttime. I did my night routine before I went to sleep. My hair looks a little bit better than it did yesterday. Anyways guys, if you're not subscribed to my second channel, you already know what to do. The link is down in the description below. Click that, it's gonna take you over to my second channel. I want you to smash that subscribe button for your boy. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. And also guys, if you wanna copy 26 King Wavy merch, the link is also down in the description below. Anything that you purchase off that website, use my discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your overall purchase. 26% is a lot, y'all. So don't forget to use my discount code. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Show y'all what it's looking like the next day after I've taken care of it, you know, after it looks a little healthy, you feel me? This is how it looks now, and I'm actually about to put in a little brush session in and just get it right, you feel me? But this is after I moisturized it. I did the hot towel method, and I also, you know, get a little brush session in, and then plastic bag and everything. Got it back right, and that's all it takes, man. So right now, all I'm gonna do is apply a little bit of oil, get a soft brush session in about 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes, and then plastic bag and rack up. So overall the session should be about 10, 12 minutes. Nothing too big, you know, just a little short session. So this is the oil I'm going to be using. Let it focus. Take a little bit of that. Not too much, okay? A little goes a long way, guys. So just a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's that much. Tiny bit. Just apply it. Alright y'all, and I just going with your soft brush. Got my 26 King Wavy Softy right here. If you don't got yours yet, go cop it right now. 26% off with my discount code. Just go in, man. Alright, you guys, so that's basically it for the brush session. You know, nothing too big, not too big of a deal. Now I'm gonna wet my hands, you know, just do the wet hand method, leave my hair down some more and just rag up. Alright, y'all, so that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, please smash that subscribe button. We are on our way to 20K, so let's get it, alright? And we out of here. Peace.